Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're gonna be tasting not all of these, but probably some. I mean, it might be all, but it might be some. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I have got some Japanese snacks, Japan snacks, whatever you want to say, and there are actually a lot in here. It might not look a lot to y'all, but it's a lot. Okay, y'all, we got little tiny little things. We got all types of stuff. And none of this stuff is surprisingly heavy. Okay? And they gave us, like, a lot. And they gave us, like, 2 of these things right here. Please put in chocolate item in the refrigerator immediately after arrival. Okay, so first of all, I don't know what chocolate things are, so we're just going to eat it like it is, because I don't know.
So we about to try everything, so we're going to pour it all out.
Oh, we got a sticker.
So we can choose what we want to try.
Yep, so we got a sticker, so let's stick that in the box. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video.
So
what would you like to try first? This looks like a regular old cracker.
Let's taste these first. Okay.
So she said that she wanted to taste.
It's the same thing.
No, they're not. They're different. They might be different tastes. So we have this, and I told you guys I was gonna make a video of this. So let's hope this loads up. So I got one of these. Oh, before we get to the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the gang if I haven't said that already. But the first thing we have is this. None of this stuff is like heavy.
It don't tell us what it's called.
Yeah, we're not. This is not much pack. I just bought these Japan. I seen someone have this before. You want to take this stuff out, or you want me to break it?
Let's break it, cause I'm scared.
Ooh, yeah. I don't think I'm gonna like it. Ready? Throw it in. It smells fishy. I think it's dry salmon. It's good.
It's good.
We're gonna rate these.
Then I give it like a
8.5. No, 7.5.
9.
7.5. This is good. Already starting off with a good start, y'all.
Okay. We'll do this one then and this one. And this one.
Okay. You wanna do all these next, or you wanna wait till the end? Since that was good, or you wanna try something else? What?
Let's try this. Let's try this.
Yeah, let's try that. I think it's chocolate. I think this is gonna be my least favorite. It looks like a piece of doo-doo.
This is chocolate.
Okay. I don't really like chocolate like that, but let's see.
Why is everything like holy? It's good. It's airy, like it's fluffy.
I don't like it. You want it? I don't
That
really like
first thing that we had was good.
On these, we're gonna say daddy son. Well, on those 2. Can I choose next? Please. I want to try these. Comment down below if you guys know what these names are. Anyways, I think these are the same. One's just chopped up, but anyways, let's try this. Most of this is like candy or snacks or whatever you call it. These look like freaking noodles, like that haven't been cooked. Take these.
They don't taste like nothing.
I like it. I just don't like the seasoning.
They don't taste like nothing.
Yeah.
Put that.
Huh? You don't want them. Yeah, that's what I said. Same thing. Sorry, y'all.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Me too.
You want to try one of these?
Yeah.
Which one?
They don't like croissants, so let's try these.
These? Next, we have these. By the way, y'all, like I said,
We don't know nothing.
yeah, we don't know none of these. It doesn't tell us. But if you guys know, definitely comment down below, y'all.
This is a little sticker. One of the little things about the chocolate. Please for chocolate. So this item is right.
This smell, it don't really have a smell to this one. Everything's holy.
Oh, yeah.
This is good. The more you keep chewing, it tastes like a Cheeto Puff.
Yeah. Oh, we forgot to rate these.
Oh.
This right here, I give this a
5.
no. I give
A 3.
it a 3.
A 3. Yeah, a 3. This one, I give a 10.
No, I give that like a 7.
I like these. You choose next.
Let's try these.
of these, y'all, we might accidentally forget to rate it, but it's okay. Just tell us down below and we're rating for y'all.
These look like
What
little
the world
fries.
is these?
These are good. These taste like them veggie chips.
Yeah, these are good.
Like these. I rate these a 10.
Yeah, 10.
I love veggie chips.
I would eat these after school.
They have fried potatoes at the top. That's the only American word I see.
Oh, well, these are fried potatoes, y'all.
Okay, I want to... Oh, these are the same. They're just different flavors.
You can pick one of these, whatever you want. My dear. Well, this is, we got some candy.
What is this? Let's taste this, because this look weird. Oh,
These are good, y'all. So far, these are actually good besides one. I didn't like this one.
and
Or
I
the
didn't
little
like,
one.
I ain't like that. I only like one. I only dislike one so far. How you open this?
Me too.
We got some.
It doesn't tell us how to do anything, y'all, so I'm sorry if we do something wrong.
Yeah, we don't know what
Yeah,
any
we
of these
definitely
things
don't
are
know.
called. We don't know nothing. No, we don't know about.
This is chocolate.
We don't know what any of this is called.
I'm sorry,
But
but
we
I
could
think
just-
this is dark chocolate, so let me eat it first.
What is it?
Dark chocolate. You won't like it, but it's good to me.
It's nasty.
I love dark chocolate and it's good for you.
Let's taste these grapes. Oh, this look like a
Hachu.
yeah.
Show them what it looks like.
I don't eat grape, so she can have that because I don't eat grape.
It's a
This-
Hachu.
This is what the packet look like, so that's how I know it's grape. I don't eat grape stuff, so
This is more chewier than Hachu. That's
what we gonna try this. We're gonna try this little bitty
yeah.
stuff.
I'm gonna let her taste it
Cause
since I had the Hachu. Chocolate. Is it that?
if you want to eat it, you can have it.
It might be a
It's like
lemon.
an M&M.
Can we taste one of these? Which one?
Matter. That's great. I'm not gonna like it.
Let's just go ahead and try this one. The Hachu was good, but I wouldn't. This
What
is
is
sticky.
it?
Feel it.
Tastes so good.
It's good, but it's spicy. It tastes like that smell that we be smelling.
Could you give me a drink?
It's okay. Get one of these fries or something.
They're nasty. Well,
Boo!
we could try this red one.
Yeah,
this one,
get it over
This
with.
one looks spicy.
I love these chips. Oh, don't forget, Maddie, you got these ones too. That one tastes better?
Yeah,
Which one side you can look off of?
I didn't look out that side. It's okay. It's stank though.
Yeah.
Well, she gonna taste these next. These are some grape candies. I
Yeah.
eat grape anything
And then
except for grapes. So taste it.
Just wait on me to see if it really tastes like grape, because I don't think these are going to taste like grape.
Ew, see.
I'm going to take these for Kylie and their money.
These things right here stink. I
Ew,
smell
y'all.
them.
I would never do that.
Smell like
To be
fish.
honest.
We gonna taste these.
That's fine. Okay. I think those might be pixie sticks.
What? I like croutons.
Yeah, literally. I don't like that, dude.
I like this. Oh, I forgot to rate these.
It's okay.
Diesel things, I give it a 0. I don't like them at all. But
These potato things and those things are my hair.
these right here, these fried potatoes,
They-
they're my favorite. They're my favorite so far. Okay, let's take these because I keep it
I'm not trying
bomb.
to throw away these snacks. They're good now, because we can eat these honey. But y'all, we love snacks.
Right.
That is great.
This is a
Things.
jawbreaker.
Chocolate in there.
This is good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What do you call?
They're good.
Mm-hmm.
They're little chocolate.
This is what the pack looked like. It had 2 little balls of candy in it.
I'm sorry, y'all. We're trying to eat fast. We're trying to make sure that our dad doesn't come a little early. You want to taste these?
Yeah.
I think these might be going
I
on the
don't think
cake
I
or
like
something.
those.
Well, you taste pink or something. I'm going to taste pink.
It tastes white.
Yeah, come out. Here, I'm going to get out of white. There you go.
Oh, they look like the crystal balls.
Mm-hmm.
These are like nerds. Like a big nerd.
Yeah.
Those are good.
Want some more?
No, but I like them.
Mm-hmm. All right, next one.
Let's taste
I'll
this.
taste one of these
Oh,
next.
yeah. Come on.
Which one? It don't matter.
I don't know. See it. This one looks spicy, I think.
Open it.
Oh, no. It got apples on it.
This one, the cheese one. I know that.
This probably going to taste like a cheese ball. Break it in half. Good. I'm hungry. I want some wings. Some more wings.
I have me like 5 of those. You can have it.
Yes, and I got some more.
Tastes like a cheese puff.
Mm-hmm. You heard him? Tastes just like a cheese puff.
Mm-hmm. But I don't really like cheese puffs because it gets stuck up in your teeth. You can have it though.
That's what the cat look like.
Yeah, she sat that down slowly.
That's
You want to go ahead and get this out of the way in case we don't like it. Then we have to eat stuff left.
I'm scared.
Y'all, we are so scared. It look like a piece of doo-doo.
I'm not eating
You go ahead and break it. Did you just see how that break?
that. Easily.
Yes. Like when I tell you it.
I hope this junk not nasty because it look nasty.
Yeah.
Ugh. Oh no, gotta go.
Come. It's not bad. It's not bad.
You don't like it?
Mm-mm. It's not bad, but I don't like it.
Oh no, it tastes like
It's
something I
just
had
like a chocolate biscuit thingy, but it's like, you know, softer. You gonna eat the rest of that, or you want to throw it away?
Yeah.
You want to taste this, or what? Do you want? You have all this.
It don't matter.
It's
It's
like
like
this.
a bear.
Yeah, a little mucky. It's a mucky. Where you get a bear from?
Yeah, monkey bear. It looks
It's
like a
just crack-
saltine crackle.
With chocolate on it.
Exactly. These some weird stuff that they make up down in Japan. And just because we say that this stuff is nasty does not mean that we're going against you guys' religion or you guys' food. We're just saying our preference, our opinion that we don't like it.
The beer in there really don't have a taste. But it's good.
Yeah. It's a. Ooh.
This is like a marshmallow. But come on.
Let's taste this.
Yeah, those fries was bomb. I didn't can't
Not
do that. But we tried these and they good. I'm pushing them fries out the way.
No, give me the fries.
But I still want the cheese crust because
What the world?
that they look like an egg that came from.
Oh my God.
Maybe we should have stopped talking here.
It's a marshmallow. They got
Yeah.
chocolate in the middle.
It's like, why are they chocolate dry?
Yeah, all that chocolate dry.
I don't want all that chocolate.
It tastes like
A vanilla.
banana.
You
Moon pies.
No, you know what it tastes like. You know the off-brand sandwiches. That's what I'm talking about.
Moon pies.
No, off-brand chocolate sandwiches.
Oh.
Ice cream.
Oh.
That's what those taste like.
Bro, these things right here, y'all. These Japan.
Actually, I think that was my favorite so far besides these two.
Okay, come on, because I'm scared to try that. I'm scared to try that one,
I'm
because
scared to try that one because that one might be some type of grape thing.
these things might be spicy.
Oh my god. Let me see. Let me show you what it looks like. Y'all, look at this. This looks worse than the other one.
Yeah, these might be spicy for real.
Yeah. But we're gonna do this again, y'all. Like we're gonna keep doing them.
Yeah, when we get some ready, I love these because I get to try.
This was only $9.99.
We're gonna do Asian. I want to do Asians next, and then Mexican.
The only reason why I didn't get Mexican and Asian is because we had Asian before, and also because Mexican things are made of spices, and we don't really like spicy.
It don't taste that bad. This actually tastes good. Is it spicy?
know, but it tastes horrible. We should never took a big bite. You're gonna spit it out. It got this aftertaste. Spit it out.
Bro, that's
Now, who would sell that?
this right here. Cause it's like, okay, let me show y'all. Okay.
Oh my God.
These,
We say the rest of these. The rest of these 5 for you.
this one. That's 3 so far.
Yeah.
Open this.
We like all of them besides that purple one.
We don't like this one. This one was like a plain, like sort of like a
Oh,
plain
this one
chip.
should be. This one shouldn't be bad.
Sort of like a plain Lay's chip.
It's not even red.
This one was cheese puff, and this one was like a spicy. It wasn't as spicy, but it's sort of like a tang thing.
This might be a sweet one because it smells like cinnamon. This might be our favorite.
Right now, you can see this for.
It's bigger. This one doesn't have a hole in it. This is lemon and sugar.
I don't like that.
That's lemon and cinnamon.
Ugh. Wait,
It tastes like something I've
these
had
two
before.
are my favorites.
Same.
This one right here tastes like apples and cinnamon. This one right here tastes like a little spicy mix.
I think that was supposed to be
cheese it
supposed to be made of like
in a plain.
pie. The blue one and the clear one was the white one was my favorite.
Yeah. Okay, we only got one thing left.
Which is this? It looks like potatoes.
Yeah, I'm excited because they look like croutons.
Yeah.
I hope these ain't things ain't nasty because I'm gonna be mad.
You gotta kind of spin.
That's the
Majority, I'm surprised about this because really I thought we wouldn't like none of them. It looked like a potato. Smell like ketchup.
show doing.
It's just okay. But they good to me. It tastes like it has some type of cinnamon on it. I mean,
Yeah.
not but a tad, but it's cinnamon, but more seasoning. Like, you know,
Right.
garlic powder and stuff like that. I tasted that taste before, but
It tastes weird.
yeah. But to be honest, they're not even bad. They're good, actually.
Yeah, I don't really like those. I don't like them. at
But
all.
they smell like ketchup. They got
Yeah.
this strong flavor.
They smell throwing me off.
This I'll give a 6.5.
I get it like both because I don't really like those. Even though I ate 2 because I was tasting the cinnamon before from the one before. I don't like
Let's
it.
close out the video.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to be a part of the Logic Gang. And I'll see you guys in the